Ladies and gentlemen, it's Christmas. Look, I got my hey, it's not even Christmas Day yet. Christmas come early for me. I'm gonna open this right here. Right now. Christmas has arrived, ladies and gentlemen. And guess what? We got pow! Yes, sir. We got the Moza, baby. We got the Moza. Let me show you the state of my current steering wheel, the one we're getting upgraded. It's diabolical. I warned you, okay? You can see that I've had to take precautions to stop it from actually destroying itself completely. You can see on the right side here, the hose is gaping. It's even actually, funny enough, yesterday it literally just stopped working. The pedals stopped working yesterday, so that is perfect timing. Luckily, this arrived the following day. It's not supposed to happen like this. It's 9 days early. 9 days. Can you understand that? 9 days early. Okay, first things first. Get rid of this tape. Don't need you no more. Whoa. Look what it's hiding. I should well and truly just remove the whole rubber. You know what I'm saying? It should just all go, but we're gonna keep it on. This I can disconnect that. Now let's check out the contents of the bags. I think we've got the user manual. It's many pages. Oh my god, there are a lot of instructions in Chinese. I've got an English version there. Ah, it's got English too. Scared me for a minute. All right, we got that. We've got a bunch of stickers. Moza raisins. If you sponsor me, I'll stick them somewhere. But you know, until then, they're just gonna sit over. So Moza, sponsor your guy. Okay. Okay. We've got some hardwares here. So open them up. I'm gonna have them all on this table right now. Oh, I think these are just for the mounts. It looks like. There you go. Some nuts, some bolts, Allen keys, screwdriver, things of that nature. I'm not trying to separate them so I don't mix them up. We've got, I think it's for the mounts as well. They look like a screw type thing. Let's open that. Show you one of them. I don't think I'll be using this guy. Yeah, it's a big screw, big old screw. Oh yeah, got the bottom part as well. I won't be using that. What I'm after is the screws that I need to sort out the the pedals, to readjust the pedals to change the direction. So we're gonna try to find those. I think they might be in here. Oh my gosh, guys. The screws is a lot. I hope the instruction shows you how to use them. I'm gonna try to show you somehow. Yep. The hardware that's gonna get used right here, right now. I think this is the one I actually need to do the pedal, this tiny one. So that's what I'm after. Oh my gosh. So yeah, let's get the pedal popping. Let's adjust the pedals right quick. That was very easy. Very, very, very easy. Now we've got pedals in the right places. It only takes 4 screws. So these 4 right here, right here, right here, right here. Just take those out, move it across, and then boom. You got the pedals next to each other, and this is what the back looks like. So now we're gonna carry on with the installation. I think we are ready to move on to putting the pedals onto the rig itself. Okay, let's go get it on. Update. After many blood, sweat, and tears, and I've disassembled my whole rig, come to find out that it's not this long one that I need. I actually need a medium-sized one because the hole behind the pedal is actually very small, it's tiny. So you need a medium. Well, in my case, I needed the medium size, not the big one, just the medium size. That seems to work well. So I'll show you the finished product soon. They haven't made this part easy at all. This is like the hardest setup I've ever done in my entire life. I'm having to sit down for it. My gosh, this is hard. I'm gonna have it on the lowest as I can get it. All right, that's tight. That should not be moving anytime soon. And 5 hours later, pedals assembled. Yes, now I gotta put it back onto the rig. Oh, see you soon. Pedals installed. Yes, let's go. Now we gotta do the bass. Yep. It's coming alive, boys. Wow. Oh yeah. The hole is not universal. We've got like 4 holes at the bottom here, and it does not match any of the pattern on my rig. So we're gonna have to go the other way, which I wasn't really keen on doing. The clamp way. I'll drill it out at some point. I'll drill it myself. I'll make some drills for it. I got drill bits, so it shouldn't be too much of a thing right now. But I'm too excited, so I'm gonna come play with it right now, right here. So this is the bracket that's come with it. It's interesting. So this goes like that. Turn it upside down, like so. Get this bad boy in there like this. Screw it in, and then from the under. That's pretty tight, solid. Now we gotta put the other ends on it. Because this plate is very thin. That's my problem with this. Extremely thin plate. Oh, actually, I do have a piece of wood that I could use to balance it out. Oh yeah. It's coming together. Yeah, I could use this piece of wood, I guess, to hold it. Let me use it. Let me use the piece of wood, but then I'm gonna use this as well. So now I got wood and metal. I'll see if I can show you once I've screwed it in properly. Alright, that's tight. Ugh. There we go. See, you got the layer of wood to give it more cushion because it's a very thin surface. So now we got more cushion for the pushing because we're gonna be pushing a lot. Right. The base is done. Now we gotta make some connections. Gonna hit it with a. Let's see, where the holes at? Oh, okay, we got the holes in the back here. What the hell is all these extra holes? There's some holes in these houses. We've got power, pedal. What the hell are those? It's got a whole bunch of stuff at the back. I don't know. Never mind. Just gonna go for the ones that I want, that I need. This is a big boy power cable right here. My gosh, how big is this guy? It's huge. I have to find a different home for this guy. It's huge. Boom, power activated. It's a USB cable. I'll do the cable tidy later, but right now we're just gonna connect it all up. And the last piece to the puzzle. Let me put it back this way. Last piece, baby, last piece. So we're gonna take this out. All right, cool. Never mind. And at the back, as part of Moza QC process, it has passed. That's all I need to see. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Coming off smoothly. I don't know how this works, but I think you just you twist it. Do you twist it? Yes, we did it. I didn't have to watch a YouTube video, no, but we did it. Yes. Whoa, endless rotation? No way. Sick. All right, we're on. All right, should we power it on for the first time? Connect the USB to the PC. See what happens. Nothing. Oh, it's got a power switch at the back, isn't it? I can see it's lit up in the background. There's lights on the inside. It's alive. Yep, I see a lot of life going on. Oh, it's got more resistance now. Yeah.